Good morning all. Here I have prepared this video for International FDP organized by D.Y.Patil College of Engineering Akurdi in association with United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization. I am Ms. Mrunalini Gajanan Dole, Assistant Professor from Jnanashri Institute of Engineering and Technology, Satara. I have participated in this FDP and I have prepared one video before that on the topic of sustainable development, introduction to the sustainable development. So in that we have discussed about introduction of sustainable development, what is sustainability, factors affecting the sustainability. In the previous video I have received 276 number of views and 122 number of likes. So in the next video we are going to study about environmental degradation and the relationship between environmental degradation and the sustainability. So let's start the video. The first question in that, what is environmental degradation? So environmental degradation is the deterioration of the environment through depletion of resources such as air, water and soil, the destruction of the ecosystem, habitat destruction and the extinction of the wildlife. So it is defined as any change or the disturbance to the environment perceived to the deteriorate or the undesirable as indicated by the I is equals to PAT equation, whereas I is equal to environmental impact, P is increasing human population, A is continually increasing economic growth or per capita affluence, T is the application of resources depleting and polluting technology. Environmental degradation is one of the 10 threats officially cautioned by the high level panel on the threats, challenges, and the changes of the United Nations. The United Nations International Strategy for Disastrous define environmental degradation as the reduction of the capacity of the environment to meet the social and ecological objectives and needs. Environmental degradation comes in many types when the natural habitats are destroyed or natural resources are depleted. The environment is degraded. The efforts to counteract this problem includes the environmental protection and environmental resource management. Next is the relation between the sustainability and the environmental degradation. Here comes the main point. This diagram shows the effect of environmental degradation on the sustainability. If the population growth increases, it directly increases the air pollution, water pollution, noise pollution, and soil pollution, etc., which degrades the environment and spoils the environmental pillar of the sustainability. As the pollution increases, it directly and indirectly affects the human health and wildlife. So it spoils the social pillar of sustainability. As the health affects badly, productivity of the mankind becomes less, which affects the economy and the whole system becomes unsustainable. So this is the relation of the environmental degradation and the sustainability, as we are seeing the live example of this in the form of COVID-19 as a pandemic disease. So the next is the one criteria here. We are going to discuss about the consumption of the natural resources. It affects on the state of environment and the sustainability. So the first point shows that in case if we are consuming the natural resources more than the nature's ability to replenish them, then there will be degradation of the natural resources like air, water, energy resources, which adversely affect the social, economical and environmental pillar of the sustainability, and the whole system becomes unsustainable. Now, in the second case, if we are using the natural resources equal to the nature's ability to replenish them, then the environmental equilibrium will be achieved and it will be a steady state economy. So, in the last case, if we are using the resources only for our basic needs, then the over exploitation of the resources will be less, and environments gets the time to replenish the resources, and this condition will be the environmental sustainable. So our primary goal is to reduce the use of natural resources like non-renewable resources, and to find the optional renewable resources and technology to achieve the sustainability in all the sectors. So this is about the short introduction about the environmental degradation and the environmental sustainability. So here our first goal is to achieve the sustainability and to less the consumption of the natural resources, so that the environment environment can replenish it as early as possible. Thank you.